You are going to love the 2019 S5. The muscular, sweeping lines of pure performance mark the dramatic return of the Audi S5 Coupe. Luxury, innovation, and power equal an experience unlike anything else. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: autonomous braking, traction control, stability control, cruise control, voice-activated navigation system, airbags, front knee, power brakes, trip computer, trip odometer, tachometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.